Like, no, somebody might do it. Like, you shouldn't say things like that. Really? People still shit like that. You're aimed at like my boobs, aren't you?
No, I'm aimed at your face.
Yeah,
Here is like
I'm
your
looking like, okay, fine.
That's your
Is it
face.
recording?
Yes. It's been recording since you were talking about
Eden.
Bayonet is Canada's first grassroots. What does that mean, grassroots?
grassroots. You should look that up.
Wikipedia is amazing.
Wikipedia's lame.
Wikipedia is amazing, kids. Listen to these wise words. Don't listen to her, she's blonde.
Corny, do you have anything to say about this?
That sums up everything. Where's Linda? Talk. Oh. I got it going on! I don't need the camera. I'm cool.
Yeah.
Do this.
Talk about malaria.
Malaria.
Malaria is a disease.
Malaria.
Oh yeah.
It's an infectious disease that affects people.
Zoom in on Michael. Close up.
Hi, I'm Michael. I'm really at the lady. I got before.
You're lame if you play that. Just by the way.
No, you're not. Don't.
Losers play that game.
Cool kids play that game. Which one do you
Cool kids play the Parasite game.
The Parasite game sucks.
I know. Nobody knows how to play it.
Me and Brandon suck at that.
I know how to play it.
You do?
Oh, Rosie. She's different.
Let's play.
Individual. No, we're not playing. Sit down. She read the directions.
I read the directions too. It's confusing.
Yeah, okay.
It's hard.
You're just mentally challenged.
And then
We
you
don't
turn
get
into
it.
like
Ow,
this
it went to my eyes.
Oh. Sorry.
Malaria.
Malaria is an infectious disease that causes...
Can I kill you, Michael?
I'm rated. I'm gonna be so famous.
Are there any treatments for malaria, Michael?
No!
You don't even know. Yes, there are. There's vaccines.
Man, ain't no treatment.
Man, ain't no treatment.
Ain't no treatment.
Yeah, we have bed
Yo,
tests.
yo, where you at? Yo.
Hey, yo, homios. They affect your homios.
No homo.
Oh my god, really gotta do something about that song.
We really gotta like move.
What are you gonna do about this?
Yeah, right. Okay, I'll just make it set faster. Don't worry about it.
No. Make it like go back in the sky. Do something.
That's what I just said.
Go back in the sky.
Okay. Like go up.
Michael's lame. Michael's a lame-o. Right?
And a homo.
Yeah, we all know it. We all know, right?
You know
Right,
something,
Corner?
right?
Yeah.
At least you're hanging out with girls like that.
I know, right? Where would you be right now if you weren't with us?
Oh, the doctor.
All right then. All
If
right.
you're with an old Jewish guy, yummy.
That is yummy.
He said yummy to a Jewish guy.
You know he likes
he's
that.
homo.
You know he likes that. Yeah, it's still recording.
Oh yeah.
BTW.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Mm.